National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, east central Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cool, or near mineral wells, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near mineral wells, Cool, and Lake Mineral Wells around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adele, Witt, Agnes, Pacer, Bennett, Advance, Often, Millsap, Garner, and Salesville. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 392 and 396. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.